Hello there, my name is Nadi. Thank you for joining this practice. Today's practice will combine two exercises to support your nervous system. So I want to take this time to sink back into our body, to feel back into our breath, to take a pause from our life, to support our body. So we're going to go ahead and start. So come into a comfortable sitting position. Either prop yourself up over some blankets or a cushion, whatever you need. If your knees feels a bit tender, feel free to place something underneath your knees. So I want to find a really comfortable position. Whenever you found that, you can rest your hands either on your knees, on your lap. And take a moment to drop your sitting bones down into the support of the earth. Lengthen through the spine, relax the shoulders, and allow your eyes to gently close. So allow the weight of your body to drop down. Feel the solid ground underneath you. And rest into that support. Invite your attention into your breath. Deep inhalations and exhalations. Release any tension that you might hold around your face. Find softness around the corners of your eyes, your eyebrows, your mouth. Soften your jaw. And drop your attention into your body. And see what is present for you right now. Which areas in your body feels a bit tight, stressed, contracted, and which spaces in your body feels wide and soft and gentle. We're going to come into a few rounds of counting our breaths. So we're going to count till 4 as we breathe in and 6 as we breathe out. So let's go ahead and do it together. So first, just simply breathe in through the nose. Release through your mouth all the way. Let it go. And now inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continue like that. Inhale for 4 and exhale to 6. And as you're counting your breath, see if you can invite the same amount of air to each count as you inhale. And also as you exhale, so you're not running out of breath on your last counts. So you're controlling the amount of air which is entering into your body and the amount of air which is moving away from your body. And let's do it for one more round. Inhale exhale. And whenever you finish, come back to a natural flow of breath in and out through your nose. And notice your body right now. What is present in your mind? Notice the quality of your breath. Notice your body. Now for the second exercise, we're going to place our right hand over the forehead and the left hand will come over the heart. So this practice is called self-holding, and it's a great way just to bring that safety back to your body, back to yourself. So whenever you're ready, you can allow your eyes to gently close if they're still open. And feel your hands holding you. Feel the warmth of your hands. Feel the support of your hands. See if you can breathe into your hands, so allowing your chest, your heart to open, your forehead to open. And exhale, bring everything back to center, soften the breath. Just for a few rounds, allow your body to breathe fully, to open and to release as you exhale. Face muscles are relaxed, and the entire body is relaxed and soft. Coming back into the safety of being here and now. You're safe in your body, with your breath. With the support underneath you. So feeling everything which is present here and now for you, inside and outside. Take one last deep breath in. A long breath out through your mouth. When you're ready, you can slowly lower your hands back down. Either flip your palms so they face up or turn your palms down, whatever feels better. Close your eyes. And notice again what is present for you now. What is moving through your mind. Notice the quality of your breath. The sensations in your body. You can open your eyes gently. Thank you so much for joining this practice, for taking this short moment for yourself, for taking care of yourself. And like that, as you take care of yourself, you can move outside to the world with more capacity to hold. I wish you a beautiful day. And feel free to come back to this practice whenever you need. This practice is for you. Thank you. Namaste.